realm of riddles.
Your new boss in the candy industry is making you visit Willy Bonker's famous chocolate factory, which has been operating for years. Your mission is to be nice to Willy so your boss can secure a business deal with him. At the tasting station, Willy offers you to taste 3 different types of chocolate bars you've never seen before, but that's normal since you're a new employee. There's a blue chocolate, an orange chocolate, and a green one. Suddenly, you receive a text from your boss. Willy Bonker is evil. He poisoned 2 out of the 3 chocolates, but I still need you to taste one of the chocolates, or my business deal with him will be off. Which chocolate should you taste? Pause the video now to solve the riddle for yourself. The factory has been in business for years without closure from scandals such as poisoning. In the background, you can see large quantities of blue chocolate are being mixed. On the other hand, there is no site of production of green and orange chocolate. Therefore, it is probable the blue chocolate is the usual unpoisoned chocolate Willy sells to customers, while the green and orange chocolates were specifically produced in small quantities to poison you, masqueraded as new exclusive flavors.